Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function tuple. Hi Python learners, today we're diving into the tuple function, a Python built-in function that's essential for creating immutable sequences. By the end of this video, you'll know what tuple does, when to use it, and how it fits into Python programming. Let's get started. What is the tuple function? It's a Python built-in function that creates a tuple, an immutable sequence of elements. Here's the syntax. Tuple with an optional iterable. The iterable argument is optional. If you provide it, you're providing an iterable like a list, string, or range. If it's omitted, tuple creates an empty tuple. The result is a tuple containing the elements of the provided iterable. Why use tuple? It's great for creating fixed-sized collections of elements. Some key concepts include immutability. Tuples are immutable, meaning their content cannot be changed after creation. Ordered sequences. Elements in a tuple maintain their order. Versatile conversion. Tuple function converts iterables like lists, strings, and dictionaries into tuples. And lightweight. Tuples are more memory efficient than lists for storing fixed size data. So you'd use tuple when storing data that shouldn't be modified, like coordinates or constant configurations, converting mutable sequences like list into immutable tuples, and working with functions that require fixed size, immutable collections. Let's start with the simplest case, creating an empty tuple. Here, the tuple function creates an empty tuple, represented by empty parentheses. Tuple is commonly used to convert lists into immutable tuples. Here we create a list called numbers and then feed it into the tuple function. After conversion, numbers tuple is a tuple that cannot be modified. You can use tuple to break a string into individual characters. Here we provide a string called text equal to the word Python. Then we use tuple to create a tuple out of the text. Each character in the string becomes an element in the resulting tuple. Tuple works seamlessly with ranges, converting them into tuples. Here we create range tuple by using the tuple function on the range 1 to 6. This tuple demonstrates how to convert a range of numbers into a tuple. Here are some important points about the tuple function. Tuples are immutable, making them safer for storing data that shouldn't change. Use them for lightweight, fixed-size collections instead of lists. Tuples support all sequence operations like indexing, slicing, and iteration. Empty tuples can also act as placeholders or default values. And that's the tuple function. To recap, it creates immutable sequences, perfect for storing unchangeable data. It converts iterables into tuples for added safety and efficiency. Use it when working with fixed-size collections or data that shouldn't be modified. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!